Hey everybody, I'm here today to do a review of this Milwaukee M18 Cordless Tool Combo Kit. In this video review, I'll be going over the features and functions of this awesome tool combo kit. As you can see right here, the model number that it shows on the box is 2697-22CT. This is what the box looks like, but I'm not going to be reviewing the box. I'm actually going to be reviewing the tools themselves and the other things that come inside of the kit. So first and foremost, the kit does come with a charger and two batteries. As you can see, I have one battery right over here on the charger right now, and I have this other one right over here. Now, the coolest thing that I like about these batteries is the simple fact that it shows you how charged they are. As you can see those lights there, it'll tell you how charged the battery is. If you push this button, it just illuminates and tells you. As you can see, this battery right here is very, very low with regards to its charge. Now, the greatest thing about this charger is that it can charge the Milwaukee M18 battery, and it can also charge an M12 battery. So if you're a Milwaukee fan and you sort of have a lot of Milwaukee tools, this is definitely a great charger for you because it can charge two batteries, the M18 and also the M12. If you have the other M12 tools and the M12 batteries, you can charge them both, and all that you have to do is bring around a single charger. Before I show you the tools, I will show you that it also comes with this carrying bag. Now, I like one thing about this bag specifically. It's absolutely huge. So in the bag, it came with the tools, the charger, and the two batteries. But there's a lot of extra space. That means that if you have other things that you want to bring around with you, whether it's a measuring tape, whether it's a reciprocating saw, whether it is absolutely anything, a hammer, some screwdrivers, you can probably fit them inside of this carrying case as well. It also has Milwaukee's nice classic red coloring, which is awesome. Now I'm going to show you the good stuff in the actual combo kit. I'm going to show you the actual two tools that come with it. First and foremost, we're going to start with this hammer drill right here. Now, this is a cordless drill, and it has three specific functions. It serves as a hammer drill, it serves as a driver, and it serves as a drill. So if you take a look right here, this won't be a complete review of each tool, like a full in-depth review. It's going to be an overview of each tool and a review of the combo kit as a whole. If you could take a look right here on the top, you can see there are three different modes, right? So you can turn it to the hammer, which will allow it to serve as a hammer drill. You can turn it to the drill right here, which will, to the driver, which will allow it to serve as a driver, sort of like a powered screwdriver. Then you can turn it right here to the drill, which will allow it to serve as a drill. It's completely up to you. It has two speed settings right over here, 1 and 2, and then it has your torque setting, which you can adjust right here. You have the torque adjustment knob, which is easy to turn. Obviously very simple. You can turn the front right here to adjust its ability to carry whatever size bit you need. Very simple, easy to use. The tool itself is super, super lightweight. You'll see when I put the battery in that it has a light right there. You have the forward, you have the reverse, you have the lock in the middle where the button can't be pressed. Let's actually take out the battery that's charging right now. I think it has enough of a charge. I just started charging it recently, but these batteries charge really quickly because it was already at 2 lights. It does charge in really quickly. So we're gonna put the battery in nice and simple. I will tell you that they've done a great deal of probably research and testing with regards to the balance of the tool. Because when the battery wasn't on the tool, I was like, wow, this is a very top heavy tool, but then you can't use it without the battery. So you're gonna have to put the battery in it. As soon as I put that battery in, well-balanced tool. Let's just listen to it. That's a powerful tool. Listen to how quickly it stops. Listen to how quickly the tool breaks when you're done pushing the button. You can actually hear it like, it's almost like just coming to a complete stop really quickly, which is a huge plus. Whenever I hear tools that stop quickly, you know that you're getting a good quality tool. You can see the light there is nice and powerful. It's going to illuminate the area that you're working with, and even if you're under bright lights or under the sun during the daytime, Having a little light like that just adds another layer of ease of use with regards to actually using the tool. And with regards to it being a cordless hammer drill, I do have to say I've actually used this exact tool before. That's what led me to go out and want to buy it. It's so powerful. My brother-in-law has this exact tool. He's an electrician, so he ends up using it a lot, constantly for its different modes. And what he has told me has been completely true when I tried it myself. Very powerful tool. Awesome tool. It's just generally a great tool. I mean, with Milwaukee tools, you know that you're getting great quality tools. They're not the cheapest tools, but they are basically some of the highest quality power tools that you can get if you're using them on a daily basis. Let's move on to the next tool. Next up, we actually have the impact driver right here. I love impact drivers. They're probably one of my most favorite tools. They're just lightweight. They just drive those screws into the wood really quickly. I'm just a huge fan of them because whenever I use an impact driver, I seem to just feel like a pro. I'm just driving things in everywhere. Now this one right here is very simple, lightweight, compact. You know, obviously has its reverse function, has its forward function, and then has a lock in the middle. But that's pretty standard for most drivers and drills. I believe this is the battery that had the charge. Let's try this one right here. Yeah, this was the one that had the charge. Let's put the battery in. Clips in nice and easily. Now I'm going to tell you right now, this is an awesome, awesome impact driver. When I was testing it out, driving in a few screws, it just did a great job. Listen to that. Nice, smooth motion and a smooth break at the end. Just like the hammer drill, this cordless impact driver is absolutely amazing. It has a light at the front. It's easy to get a bit in there, but like I said, that's pretty standard with impact drivers. They all work in a very similar way. Easily remove the bit and easily attach it. Very lightweight. It just has a very comfortable grip. If you take a look at that grip right there, you can see it sort of has those ridges on it, which is going to be great for if you have a sweaty hand. You know, you're not going to be slipping and sliding with the tool. It's very grippy, which is a huge plus for me. Once again, a well-balanced tool, easy to use. And that's basically it. In this video review, I just want to go over the features and functions of this Milwaukee M18 cordless two-tool combo kit. Once again, it comes with those M18 batteries, which means that you're going to get a lot of power, long life, fast charge. You really can't go wrong. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.